Have you ever wondered about the top attractions in America? America, a country as vast as it is diverse, is a treasure trove of natural wonders and cultural landmarks. It's a land that stretches from the rugged beauty of Alaskan wilderness to the sun-kissed beaches of Florida, from the bustling streets of New York City to the serene landscapes of Yosemite. Within its borders lies a rich tapestry of experiences, waiting to be discovered. From towering mountains and deep canyons to iconic statues and cinematic heritage, America is a testament to the power of nature, the resilience of humanity, and the enduring spirit of freedom. Each state, each city, each small town has its own story to tell, its own unique allure to captivate the curious traveler. So whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or simply a wanderer at heart, America has something for everyone. Let's embark on this journey to explore the top attractions this great nation has to offer. First stop, the Grand Canyon, one of the world's most famous natural wonders. Nestled in the heart of Arizona, this enormous chasm is a testament to the power of natural forces. Around 1 mile deep and spanning over 277 miles in length, the Grand Canyon is not just large, it's colossal. The canyon's red and orange layered rocks record billions of years of Earth's history, a sight that invites contemplation. The sheer size and grandeur of the canyon can make you feel small and insignificant, but in the most inspiring way. Whether you're hiking its trails, whitewater rafting in the Colorado River, or simply standing at the rim, captivated by its magnificence, the Grand Canyon never fails to astound. And as the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of orange, pink, and purple, the view becomes even more spectacular. The Grand Canyon, a breathtaking sight that leaves visitors in awe. Next, we travel to California, home to the majestic Yosemite National Park. This breathtaking sanctuary covers an area of over 760,000 acres. Its vast wilderness is a mosaic of towering cliffs, powerful waterfalls, and tranquil meadows. The park is a testament to nature's grandeur, boasting some of the tallest waterfalls in the world, such as Yosemite Falls, cascading down a staggering 2,425 feet. The park's iconic rock formation, El Capitan, stands as a colossal granite monolith, challenging climbers from around the globe. Amidst the grandeur, the quiet allure of the Mariposa Grove's ancient giant sequoias offers a humbling experience. The park's biodiversity is also remarkable, hosting over 400 species of vertebrates. Whether you're a thrill seeker, an avid hiker, a birdwatcher, or simply a lover of nature's beauty, Yosemite offers an unrivaled experience. This vast wilderness is a world of its own, waiting to be explored. Yosemite National Park, a paradise for nature lovers. Our journey takes us next to New York City, where we find the iconic Statue of Liberty. Towering above Liberty Island, this Lady of Freedom has been a beacon of hope since the late 19th century. A gift from France, she stands as an emblem of the universal aspiration for freedom and good fortune. The Statue of Liberty, officially titled Liberty Enlightening the World, was dedicated on October 28, 1886. Adorned with a torch and a tablet inscribed with the date of America's independence, she symbolizes the spirit of liberty embodied in the American dream. Her copper-green silhouette, visible from miles around, has welcomed countless immigrants arriving by sea, inspiring hope and promising a fresh start. The statue is more than just a monument. It is a testament to the values that shape the United States: freedom, democracy, and opportunity for all. The Statue of Liberty, a symbol of freedom and a beacon of hope. Now let's head west to Los Angeles, to the legendary neighborhood of Hollywood. A place where the glitz and glamour of the silver screen comes to life, Hollywood is not just a location, but a symbol of the American film industry. Its streets are lined with historic theaters, swanky boutiques, and iconic landmarks that have played host to countless premieres and award shows. The Hollywood Walk of Fame, with its 5-pointed terrazzo and brass stars, pays tribute to the industry's finest, while the iconic Hollywood sign, perched high up on Mount Lee, has been a beacon for dreamers since the early 20th century. Here, film studios like Paramount Pictures, Warner Brothers, and Universal offer a glimpse behind the scenes, revealing the magic that goes into creating those unforgettable movie moments. Museums like the Hollywood Museum, housed in the historic Max Factor building, showcase an extensive collection of Hollywood memorabilia, celebrating the rich history of American cinema. Hollywood, where dreams come to life on the silver screen. From the glitz and glamour of Hollywood, we move to the powerful beauty of Niagara Falls. Situated on the international border between the United States and Canada, Niagara Falls is an awe-inspiring display of nature's raw power and majesty. It consists of 3 waterfalls: the Horseshoe Falls, the American Falls, and the Bridal Veil Falls, each with its own personality and charm. These falls aren't the highest in the world, but they are incredibly wide and produce a large volume of water. Every minute, 6 million cubic feet of water rushes over the edge, creating a thunderous roar and a mist that can be seen miles away. The sight of such a colossal amount of water continuously cascading down is an unforgettable experience. Visitors can enjoy this spectacle from various viewpoints or get a close-up view on a thrilling boat tour. At night, the falls are illuminated, creating a breathtaking and romantic scene. Niagara Falls, a spectacle of nature's power and beauty. Our next destination takes us to the tri-states of Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho, where we find Yellowstone National Park. A realm of geothermal wonders, Yellowstone is famed for its geysers, hot springs, and vibrant pools. The most famous of all is Old Faithful, a geyser that, true to its name, erupts on a predictable schedule, much to the delight of spectators. But Yellowstone is more than just a spectacle of geothermal activity. It's a sanctuary for a diverse range of wildlife. It's not uncommon to spot bison grazing in the valleys or to catch a glimpse of a wolf on the prowl. The park also boasts of canyons that tell a tale of volcanic history and waterfalls that add to the serene landscape. As the first national park in the U.S. and one of the oldest in the world, Yellowstone has been a testament to the importance of preserving nature's wonders for future generations. Yellowstone National Park, a haven of geothermal wonders and wildlife. Finally, we arrive in Washington, D.C. at the historic Lincoln Memorial. Commanding the landscape with its Greek-inspired architecture, the memorial is a tribute to the 16th President of the United States, Abraham Lincoln. Constructed in the early 20th century, it's a place where history whispers in the wind, carrying tales of a man who fought for unity during one of the most tumultuous times in American history. The memorial is not just a colossal statue of Lincoln, but it's also a symbol of his enduring legacy. The 36 Doric columns surrounding the statue represent the states in the Union at the time of Lincoln's death. Inside, engraved on the walls, you'll find his 2 most famous speeches, the Gettysburg Address and his second inaugural address, standing as timeless reminders of his vision for equality and unity. The Lincoln Memorial, a tribute to a leader who shaped the nation's history. So, there you have it, a glimpse into some of the top attractions in America. From the awe-inspiring vistas of the Grand Canyon to the majestic beauty of Yosemite National Park, the American landscape is a tapestry of natural wonders that never fail to dazzle the senses. And who can forget the iconic Statue of Liberty, a beacon of hope and freedom that stands tall in the bustling heart of New York City. But the United States is not just about natural grandeur and historical landmarks. Hollywood, the birthplace of American cinema, is a testament to the country's rich cultural heritage and its enduring love for the silver screen. And let's not leave out Niagara Falls, a spectacle of nature's raw power that straddles the border between the United States and Canada. Then, we have Yellowstone, the first national park in the U.S. and one of the oldest in the world, teeming with geysers, hot springs, waterfalls, canyons, and abundant wildlife. A paradise for nature enthusiasts and wildlife lovers alike. Last but not least, the Lincoln Memorial, a monument that pays tribute to one of the most important figures in American history, is a must-visit for anyone interested in the country's past. Yet this is just the tip of the iceberg. America is a vast country, brimming with an array of attractions as diverse and varied as the people who call it home. Each state holds its own unique charm and has its own story to tell, waiting for you to discover. So whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or a culture vulture, America has something for everyone. The journey may seem long, and the list might appear endless, but, as they say, the joy is in the journey, not the destination. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, keep exploring.